up, fam? The word of encouragement for today is, I trust in you. Do not let me be put to shame, nor let my enemies triumph over me. What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another wig review, honey. Yes! So this video is definitely in collaboration with a company that I just found out about. They are on Shopify, and their name is WIGGY. So right here, I'm just showing you what it's equipped with. You got your headband, you got your clips for your hair, and you also got some straps in the back, which actually come together really nicely. So yes, honey, you know you gotta have them edges done. And if you guys want a video on this Cantu edge control, I can definitely do that for you. Just make sure you leave a comment down below. So right here, we're just gonna go ahead and put this on. Like I said, links will be down below, but these wigs are fire, like OMG. Like right here, I'm just showing you guys, you know, how to put it on or how I put it on. I literally just throw it over my head, go ahead and put the straps on in the back, which are Velcro and they don't hurt, so I like that. And then all the clips that it came with in the front, I go ahead and slide those in, and voila, honey. Like, look at this. You can't tell me nothing. And she is super long. She's a very, very thick and voluminous. I will leave the links and everything down below because, baby, if you don't get this, then I don't know what it is, okay? But look at this. Oh my goodness, look at that. So she's super long. She actually comes to like tailbone length. And of course, you already know these are headband wigs. So you know you gotta make them look cute and dress them up, right? So here we go. Looking cute or whatever. Yes, honey. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. So yes, you know, you can style it half up, half down. I mean, I'm also gonna put her in a bun just to see how versatile she is. So the bun kind of slipped out a little bit, but it's okay because it still looks cute. I didn't have an extra scrunchie to hold it in place, but you guys will get the gist. Like, she is so cute. Like, look at this. Yes, yes, come through. So you know your girl had to get another one. So I do have another treat for you, which is the second wig. And when you guys see the second headband wig, you are going to fall in love because this one by far is my favorita. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of this video. To that next wig, you know I had to come back and show y'all this one, right? Okay, here we go. Y'all see what your girl is talking about? I told you, yo, this wig is fire. Like, I'm over here talking to myself like, yes, what? You can't tell me nothing in this wig, sis. These headband wigs are literally bomb.com. And you know, you just go ahead and adjust it to your liking where you like it. But listen, since y'all still on this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps your girl out, get out there in the YouTube algorithm. We're gonna push this video up to 1,000, okay, baby? And yes, make sure you check that description box because your girl also has coupon codes for you, okay? So I got a coupon code for you for 15% off. I will definitely leave that on the screen if I haven't already, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video, but keep watching. As y'all can see, this wig is long as well, so I'm saying though, like, look at it. I absolutely love this wig. So listen up, okay? Make sure you guys are checking the links down below. Like I said, I will leave everything down below. Also, comment down below and let a chica know which one do you like, which one are you ordering, which one are you going to order. Like, I'm super excited to know what you guys think. What do you think about each unit? And I'm definitely gonna have a more for you from this company because I really like them. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of this video. I know I keep saying that. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video, okay? Don't forget to like this video.